Hello and welcome back to another video. Previous video you've seen that we went into a deep dive to find out exactly what is wrong with my E90 and with Roxana's E46, and we found a couple bits. On my own car we have found that the rear main seal is leaking oil massively. Now we also found that the shifter is very stiff going third, fourth, 1, 2, 5, 6. Now our suspicion that the oil is leaking from the top for the shift input shaft. We've got that O-ring or the seal as well. We also found that the fan needs to go because that is also not mine. I've ordered 2 high output fans. They're on the way from FMIC. They're not here just yet. No, they haven't shipped. It's just a matter of receiving them now. We also found that the wheel bearings are completely shot. So what we're going to do now is we're going to install all the parts that we have at hand, which is the rear main seal, the release bearing, and the gearbox seal as well. Now we're going to also top up the fluid and raise the bonnet as well. And when the remaining parts arrive, we're going to fit them, and that should be the E90 done and complete until something breaks again. Yeah. Now guys, if you're enjoying the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure to comment down below and let us know that you're enjoying it. We have some extremely exciting projects coming up. One of them that I'm still debating, I really want to do it because it's such a cool project, but we will not release that just yet until it actually happens. There's a lot of exciting news coming later on this year, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, you guys know what to do. Car up, wheel off, and we can start working on the wheel bearing. Now. Quick, go. Yeah, boy. Okay. That is bad. Not even Roxana's car was like this. Oh wow. It does. Okay. Ta-da! You can actually hear it. Wow. Our brand new wheel bearing, looking snazzy, nice and clean. Simple method. Just slip that on, and we're on. Now, why is there wobble?
A few inches later.
We have came into an issue. So the issue is that is on and it does not want to come off. So I went and I'm going to use a good old breaker bar breaker. It's going to absolutely bite me in the ass now, isn't it? Yeah, I need to find a way for this. To stop it from twisting, we're going to ratchet strap the actual knuckle to the wall, technically, or the tire rack. Yeah, it snapped. That's one down, breaker bar down. Right, let me go and see if I can borrow a breaker bar. That is not a 1/2 inch, that is a 3/4. Sorry, this nut doesn't want to move. I wonder what caused it to move. I wonder what happened that it actually decided to open up. Well, doesn't matter because it's loose now. That's what matters. So yeah, now that the wheel bearings are done, I am extremely happy because now at least there will be no noise, it'll drive proper, the alignment won't be shifting as well. I hope. So what we have left now, we have the seal for that shifter. We have the rear main seal for the engine, but that requires a gearbox down and it doesn't look like the gearbox will fit down. Anyway, then we can also take off that fan that is here and we can make room for the 2 high output fans. And then also we have to do the bonnet risers or the bonnet spacers. So just quick montage of whatever. So now it's just a matter of doing the release bearing and the rear main seal. Yay. And I do not want to do any of that. Right. I'm gonna plan around how I want to do this. If I want to remove the engine entirely, or if I want to just move it back and then tilt it down and with the gearbox dangling and then pull the gearbox out. I'll see yet. I'm gonna think about it, figure it out and see how I want to do it.
Last one left.
Last one left. Yeah, just
All done.
yeah, perfect. Yeah, that works. Anyway, so couldn't make up my mind to see which way I want to do it. Do I want to pull the engine out entirely, or do I just try and see if I can lean it back in some way, shape, or form? I think what I'm going to do is I'll decide when I get to it.
Take it out.
I don't want to take it out.
Take it out. You see how it performs. Service it. See if there's any cracks, any leaks. Might.
I don't want to do it. What I decided to do is I'm just going to go with the flow. I'm going to start taking off the exhaust. I'm going to start taking off the prop shaft, and when I get to the gearbox part is when I decide to pull it out or not. That's what I'll do. So I'm taking apart the prop, the exhaust, and now I'm taking apart the gearbox and the linkage. And I think I found the reason why it's so stiff to shift the gears. So down below, it's nice and easy right here. But when you come over to the top, it's doesn't want to move whatsoever. That is jammed shut. That is the reason why it is so stiff to change the gears. Yeah, when everything's out, I'm gonna try and see if I can free it up, take out the actual shifter itself and see what I can do. Hopefully that will work and help my case.
A few inches later.
You can see. Careful now.
Why?
Do you know why?
I wouldn't worry about it.
You could have gotten a jock, you know.
Yeah, but this is more fun. This is so much more fun.
I think you do have a concussion.
Yeah, same. I said it to you. Build a drift car, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Oh, oh. Look at that. Lift the car. Stop. 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 Lift the car. Oh, my days. I have my hand blocked. No matter which way I move it. I can't get this off.
I might just leave you here and go home. See what you do.
Oh, it's crushing something.
So
Oh.
good job.
Now, our release bearing. Oh, Jesus. Huh. Our release bearing is non-existent. Anyway, there's a lot of oil in here. And probably a lot of oil there. Anyways, not much else I can do. So, we can now go and take off the pressure plate, take off the clutch, and start changing the release bearing. No, 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 no. Two. Come on, nearly there.
Yay!
And you're off. Is it leaking from there?
There's a bit of residue, but it's
That's all
not
oil.
necessarily.
Hey,
Well, this is definitely not oily, anyways.
what you mean? That's all oil.
Yeah, but we're here. We're looking
No.
here.
Careful. Yeah, I didn't think about that now, did I? Now, we'll give it a few minutes, let it leak for a bit, and see what we can find. In the meantime that I was waiting for that rear main seal to start leaking again, to confirm that it was it, I have went ahead and, where is it? Oh, there it is. And replaced the shaft seal. And yeah, it was leaking very bad. It was actually very in poor condition. So we replaced it with a brand new one and also cleaned it up. So now it's all nice and tasty. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to pull out that rear main seal, change it for a brand new one, which is for a brand new one. We're here already. That was the aim of the game. Change that, so just may as well do it, regardless if it is it or not. So the trick that I found on YouTube's is you place a screw inside the seal
Now,
Nice.
there we go. And actually, now that I'm looking at this from a different angle, you can tell it was actually leaking. All on the bottom here. But it doesn't seem to be pinched or anything, doesn't seem to be deteriorated. A bit of frothing there, condensation is fine. So yeah. Nice and easy, walking it in. Yeah. And also, look at this. Look at that point right there.
It's cracked.
No,
I can't see.
it's the oil
But where is it coming from?
from the sump. It's not sealed properly right there, that little point. At this little point in there.
And that's causing all this issue.
Yeah. Anyways, there's a little point right there where it's leaking, but I won't be worrying too much about it yet. That's done. Rear main seal is in. The gearbox shaft as well is fixed. So now we can put everything back together, put it back on the ground, and we can call it a night. Now, rear main seal is done. The input shaft seal is done for the gearbox also, which I'm very, very happy with. Now, it is currently what time?
Very late.
It's late, and unfortunately we have to leave now. So the car is unfinished, but that's okay, I'll do it next week. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know what to do, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.